Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI image generator. Now it's quite simple. You simply go into Dreamlab over here on the left side and then you type a prompt. You can choose which one it is. Let's say it's for a YouTube video, choose this one. If it's for a short, let's choose this one, or a reel. You can also choose for Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube or other posts. Now let's say we need something that's not these creepy faces on toast. Let's say make us an image of a car being driven by an ice cream. And now it's creating. As you can see right here, these are changing colors. This means it's being created. And perfectly. Now you have the image created by this. You can also say, let's say you need something for a video or maybe a thumbnail. So you can say, give me a picture of a man at work. I need this for a brochure. And now it's going to do that. If you need it for something, please type it out, as it's going to be much better, as Canva knows what it's like and it knows it has brochures and stuff. And perfectly. Look at how insanely good these images are. It looks genuinely real. We can also just change the ratio of it and press create. As you can see up here, it's going to create new ones. And that's the thing I like about it, is it keeps the old designs down here. So you can also just say, if it's a logo, for example, then it's going to be one by one. Say, give me a logo for a hairdresser salon. And it's going to be one by one, which means it's going to be the same width as it is height. Perfect. And as you can see, there it is. And now we have a logo for our hairdressing salon. And you get the gist. So it's really that simple. That is how to use Canva AI image generator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.